This '03 Acura is pretty clean for 1,800 bucks. It's about to turn over 270. I think I'd mentioned that this Acura was 2-owner, no accidents, 42 service records on the Carfax. It's recently, in the past 25,000 miles or so, had a timing belt, water pump. What else? Let's see. This one's had valve cover gaskets, new Acura battery. The transmission has been rebuilt in this car. It's had a lot of work. It's got a couple of new tires on it. Other 2 tires are almost new. Got cold AC. This navigation's hilarious. It's so old. Pac-Man. But yeah, this is a great A to B daily driver. It's got freezing cold AC, and as you can see, it just flies down the interstate, just smooth as silk. It really is a great, inexpensive car. I've had this thing on Craigslist. I've been trying to sell it for 2,400 bucks. I haven't got the first phone call. I've got a couple of vague texts, but no phone calls. Can't believe I can't sell it. You know, if I can just make a few $100 on it, I'll be happy. But I guess these Acuras, when they have a lot of miles on them, kind of scares people away. I guess. I mean, I don't know why somebody would be afraid of it. Listed in the ad all the new stuff it has on it, but yeah, I can't get much interest in it. But anyway, this thing's got OnStar too. I think that's pretty funny. I guess Acura borrowed that for a few years. I don't know if they still use it or not, but anyway, just wanted to do a little another little freeway run on this thing. Just tickles me to death at how smooth and how good it really is. But anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Peace.